Hello guys, welcome back on this new video. This time I'm gonna show you my Peli case. I've got a brand new Peli case. It's a proper Pelican Peli case, 5010. If you go back on my channel, I've got a couple of videos with my old Peli case. I'm gonna link the video on the description so you can check it out. That one was quite famous because inside my Peli case I use as a divider a couple of 𝐼𝐸 divider. I'm gonna leave the link as well of that divider in the description if you want to buy. They fit perfectly inside this case. So let's check what I've got on this case. So I've got all my stuff that I need on this side, and I've got other stuff on this one. I'm gonna show you what I've got. There is also a proper striplet in here. It's quite handy sometimes when you are working somewhere that is quite dark, as we always do. So let's start from this side. In here I've got proper electric test, so always handy to have. It's really nice. It's been quite useful quite a lot of time, especially if you've got any problem with the power or anything. It's been really handy. And after what I have, so in here I have got I've got a Cat5 or Ethernet cable junction and 9 battery volts. Always good to have one of these with you. And I've got a router, an input one, really handy. I just love this one. They're really good, guys. Really love it. Never had problem with one of these for all my gig. I mean, the short range they're quite good. They do a good job. Long range, I would love to use an Ubiquiti, and actually I'm thinking to buy an Ubiquiti, but not this time. But I'm gonna buy one soon. Present the mouse, the USB, and everything, as you can see in here. These are really handy if someone forget or the company that you work for doesn't have. Two small battery inside, nice and easy to use. I've got torch, that is always handy to have one of these. Sharpie, 3 color, red, blue and black with a lanyard. I've got a green one, another black one, and I've got one of these that is quite handy when you need to use a touchscreen desk or anything that is touchscreen, because there is this. So on this side I have this transparent tape. So this one is really handy when you have got plexiglass transparent lectern and you need to run your cable on the side, and you can use this one for tape your cable down. It's really good. I have got this strip they are used for headset mic. They're really handy to use it, really good. I've got like a small first ID kit, just with a couple of things inside, just in case anyone needs. Small power bank in here that you can use it. Oh yeah, oh, this is funny, but it's it's a corporate toilet. Believe it or not, sometimes it's really good. I bought these back, I think that back in Italy, yeah, in Italy, because they're all Italian, but like a couple of 2 years ago maybe. I used maybe 2 times or once, but they always good to have. That's the battery for the strip lights. On the top here I've got a couple of tools that can be always handy. SD card, 64 GB, always good to have one of these. And just cable for a USB-C charger and a normal USB. Lightning cable for Apple phone. USB-C to USB-B, sorry, USB-C to USB-B. I've got lanyard with all my pen drives in here, where I've got my stuff, basic stuff for when I do my show for different desks, as you can see. This is for my Hallenit recording. This is for my 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞 stuff, and this is just for my 𝐼𝐚𝐬 for my all the show that I have. And I've got another 2 pen drive. That's for all my I don't know if you can see here, for all my Yamaha desk, and I can just I've got all my show in here, recording and show. So let's go on the fun part. So in here I have got my 2-way Focusrite, really nice, does the job for what I need to do. I've got my 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿 mic in my case when I need to do any measurement with any PA. I've got my torch for my hand if I need. A bit of pink, just tape. Tester, power test. You always need one of these. That's UK1. I have a mic that I use as a talkback sometimes. Unfortunately, is without switch, but it's okay because on my desk I switch on the mic when I need, so it's perfect. That's a Sennheiser E945. I don't know if you can see. I've got 3 or 4 of these. I use for vocal most of the time, but they're really handy also for talkback. And in here I've got the nice Stream Deck. If you didn't watch it, I did a video where I introduced the Stream Deck, and there will be more video about how I use these with 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿, with Spotify, and with all that app when I do any show. And this can be handy for any of you if you want to buy. Actually, I've done a couple of videos when on the first one I'm explaining how I use this with the normal Stream Deck app, and also with the Companion, that is another app that you can use with different kind of application like 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿, Spotify, but also you can use with, I don't know, Analog Way, a switcher, or D-Live, or also SQ5, desk, 𝐼𝐚𝐬, Yamaha, Midas, yeah, with a lot of stuff. So that's always with me in my bag. Other tools, just in case, small kit, nice and easy. I don't need a lot of this. And that's the power supply for the switcher, for the Ethernet switcher. On this side, I've got my tester. I did a video about this. Just go and check on the description. It's quite interesting. There is quite a lot of stuff that is interesting. Batteries, AA, always good to have this with you for mic. This is a passive splitter. So as you can see here, I use this because a lot of time a cameraman or someone that needs to record the show come to me. What I do, I have always an output from my desk that is called broadcast, and I send a matrix to this, and everyone comes in and they can get a feed. I know there is a mono feed. If they need a stereo feed, they need to require them before, because I need to prep the desk to have a stereo mono, especially if there is 4 people, 3 people that need the same feed. I just give a mono feed, especially if I'm doing a corporate show where if I've got only mic, they can use just a mono feed. This is more than enough. I've got 2 splitter for speaker. It's always good to have a couple of these. I always do like left and right on the front, and maybe I do delay 1 and delay 2. So with 2 of these I just need to run 2 cables on the back, especially if I don't have any NL4, so they are quite handy sometimes. So and now I've got these 2 Cat5, Cat6, Cat7 4-way XLR. I know that they look the same, but I've got female to female, male to male, just in case I need to do something different. I can do whatever I want. I bought this way because I found these online on eBay. Someone was selling it. There are 2 of these that was brand new. They actually are for Troman. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you want to buy. They are really good, guys. They saved me a lot of times. I know that there is also a Rat Sound that they have got a couple of them. But as I said, I found these on eBay and I just bought it. It was quite easy. I spent like £100 to use it. So yeah, I don't know how much they cost, but I think that the price is quite good. I never open up actually to see inside, but I might gonna do a video and show what is inside. But as I said, they're really good. On this side, I've got the last bit, so this is for my tape. Just put on the belt and I put my tape inside. And in here, I've got just small stuff. So I have a DI box for any laptop or any music I need to play. I use one of these. I have got a 5-pin, 3-pin. I know I'm a sound guy, why I need one of these, but you never know. Sometimes it's always handy to help a lighting guy. 2 swap 𝐦𝐵𝐾 cable, always handy to have 2 of these. Left I've got 2 of these white cable. Oh, hang on, let me show you back. Just in case you need to split any signal. This is always handy. Another 5 to 3. And in here I have got a couple of barrel, as you can see, 𝐸𝐵𝐾 barrel and XLR barrel that they are always handy, and a small AAA battery that they can be always useful. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave the link of all the stuff that I have inside this case on the description, so if you want to buy, you can just follow the link and buy it. Let me know if you want to see any other stuff. I've got another Peli case that I use for my video stuff. If you want to see it, just let me know in the comment. Just say, Dom, we want to see the other video, and I'm gonna do the other video for you. Ask me any question you want about the stuff that there is in this Peli case. If you've got other question, guys, just leave in the comment below. Just write down. Don't be shy, there isn't any problem. I will be more than happy to help if I can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, so you will see more stuff coming up in the next couple of weeks. Thank you so much.